In this video, we will introduce the preparation for HPE7-A06 HPE Campus Access Switching Expert Written Exam and share sample questions to test knowledge. The HPE7-A06 exam is a comprehensive assessment of your expertise in campus networking, ensuring you have the necessary skills to manage complex wired network environments. HPE Campus Access Switching Expert Written Exam Overview. Exam Topics Breakdown. Preparation Tips for Good Studying. One. When analyzing a network stack issue in an HPE campus environment, which layer is most likely affected if clients experience intermittent connectivity but can still ping the gateway? A. Physical layer. B. Data link layer. C. Network layer. D. Transport layer. 2. In an HPE campus access network, if multiple VLANs are configured but inter-VLAN routing fails, which configuration should be verified first? A. IP routing settings on the core switch. B. VLAN tagging on each port. C. STP settings on edge switches. D. LACP configuration on trunk links. 3. An access layer switch in an HPE network is experiencing high CPU utilization, leading to network slowdowns. Which troubleshooting step should be prioritized? A. Check for spanning tree loops. B. Increase bandwidth on uplink ports. C. Inspect firewall ACLs. D. Reboot the switch. 4. Which feature in HPE Aruba switches helps in managing multicast traffic and preventing unnecessary flooding across VLANs? A. IGMP snooping. B. COS policies. C. ACLs. D. Static routing. 5. During troubleshooting, an engineer finds excessive ARP requests in the network. Which setting could mitigate this issue? A. Adjusting MAC aging timers. B. Enabling DHCP snooping. C. Increasing ARP cache size. D. Configuring proxy ARP. 6. In a campus network, which HPE feature provides device-level redundancy by enabling two switches to operate as a single logical unit? A. Link Aggregation Control Protocol, LACP. B. Spanning Tree Protocol, STP. C. Virtual Switching Extension, VSX. D. Multi-Chassis Link Aggregation, MCLAG. 7. A core switch in an HPE network fails to advertise routes to other devices in the network. Which protocol configuration should be verified first? A. OSPF adjacency. B. DHCP relay. C. Spanning tree priority. D. VLAN tagging. 8. What should be checked first if a VLAN configured with DHCP relay does not deliver IP addresses to devices in an HPE network? A. Routing configuration for the VLAN. B. DHCP server availability. C. Port security settings. D. Access control lists on core switch. 9. A customer requires multiple VLANs on an HPE campus network. Which configuration is essential on the switch interfaces connected to other switches to ensure VLAN traffic passes through? A. Configure the interfaces as access ports. B. Enable LACP on the interfaces. C. Set the interfaces as trunk ports. D. Enable DHCP relay on the interfaces. 10. A network administrator notices inconsistent VLAN connectivity across HPE switches in a stack. Which configuration should be verified? A. VLAN tagging on trunk ports. B. Port security. C. DHCP snooping. D. Interface speed and duplex. Check the correct answers for each question. Subscribe Passert for more IT exam prep.